Hello, frequent flyers. This is your captain, Dan Hardigan, and we have lifted off. Looks like clear skies today, above the 49er Bridge Highway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified. And as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you for flying with us today, and extend my gratitude on behalf of the entire airline for your contribution. Remember, please do not leave any of your trash or belongings, and to carry out what you carry in. This is your planet. This is our planet. This is your captain, Dan Hardigan, signing off.